Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to A Sneaker Gaming, and then today I'm gonna be discussing on whether the Ben & Jerry's is a smart investment or not. But before we start this video, drop a like and subscribe to my channel. It only takes about like 2 seconds to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. It really goes a long way. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and then it puts my channel in a better situation. So thank you guys for doing that. Please do that. And then if you guys are interested in buying any sneakers, follow me on Instagram at @AAA_sneaker, and then turn on my post notifications and story notifications, so you'll get notified once I post stuff out for steals or once I post a lot of good shoes for sale. So without even talking, let's get straight into it. Right now we're in the year of the Nike Dunk year, and last year or a few years ago we're actually in the Jordan 1 eras where Nikes are really pushing Jordan 1s to the next level, or they are trying to bring back the Jordan 1 hype. And right now we're in an era where Nike tries to bring back the SB hype. So I think they did a good job on collaborating with different artists, different skate shops, and then bring back some colorways. Not like bring back, they're releasing more colorways and then make it more accessible to the publics. And then based on my previous investment in Nike SB Strangelove, the cheapest pair I bought was like $400, $430, and then the most expensive I bought was I think $700-ish. And then I've sold a lot for $1,300, I've sold a few for $900, sold most of them for $1,150 to $1,200. So that's not bad of an investment. It's around like 50% plus in the ROI return, so which is really good. And then let's take a look at the Ben & Jerry's. So before it released, it's hovering around 1K, right? 800 to 1K. After it dropped, it skyrocketed to 2K, I think, and then it dropped down to 17 to 1800. And then if we take a look at this, for the Jordan 1s, Nike was trying to bring it back their hype over the course of 3 years. And then when they first released the Breads, the Royals, and then the Shadows, those were going for around 200 to 300. I know those are all classic and OG colorways, but colorways such as Top 3s, Bretos, and other colorways like that have been steadily going up in price. But so I think in the long run, if Nike is able to push this SB hype to the next level, I think over the course of the year, this pair will probably go down as one of the most iconic sneaker collab in our modern sneaker head or hypebeast era. So I think this pair has a chance to go up to 2K plus. But if we look at it in another way, this pair is around 1,700 already, which is outrageous. If you're paying 1,700 for a pair of shoes, that's really expensive. But I still see a lot of demand in these shoes based on their design, the story, and then the collaboration behind it. Ben & Jerry's is such a classic brand to a lot of people in their childhood memories. It brings a lot of nostalgic value, which probably is good for Nike on the storytelling side, and it's probably going to drive up the resale prices. But for 1,700 for a pair of shoes is really expensive. So it might go down in the future, but I think if Nike is able to push the SB hype over the course of the years, this pair will steadily going. This pair will drive up in price soon. I'm pretty sure. If we look at the Travis Scott Nike Dunk SB, they were going for 900 a pair when it first released, which is really cheap. I don't know why it was going for 900 for the Travis Scott, because they're a pair of shoes that's supposed to be at like 1,500. So for the Ben & Jerry's, the price is already super high, but I think if you have the money or you have the capital to hold on to these pairs for over a course of a year or so, you probably will be getting like around 2,100, but that's $400 profit based on your 1,700 investment. That's not a good ROI return investment on sneakers, because you have to spend 1,700 to get 400 profit. But if you have the capital, and then if you believe in this pair, I suggest you guys to go for it. But for me, I bought all the pairs for around 900 to 1,100, so it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, I'm still getting like $600 profit. That's around 50+% in ROI returns. So that's really good already. So I think I've got over like 30 plus pairs, and then right now in front of me I have 12 pairs. I've shipped around like 6 pairs already. and I still have like 20 more coming in. So at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter for me. The only thing that will affect me is whether I profit more from the price I'm selling at. Like for example, if I want to sell it right now, I can sell it easily for $1,700. That's like $600 to $700 profit based on my $900 to $1,000 investment. That's like 60 to 50% to 70% in ROI, which is extremely good. So I don't mind holding on to pairs. I don't mind holding on to like 5 pairs or so, because I already break even once I sold over 20 pairs. So it's up to you guys whether you guys believe in this pair or not. But for me, I think if you have the capital, you guys can probably get like 1 to 3 pairs, because it's a really expensive shoe. So you guys can see if it goes up to $2,500 in the near future. But if we look back in the years or so, this pair will probably go down as one of the most classic collabs. Because let's take a look at the SB Dunks back in the days. The What The Dunks, the Fragment Dunk High, Supreme Dunk High, Supreme Dunk Lows, Tiffany, Pigeons, you can name it all. Those are super expensive already. Sneakers are like the stock market right now. If you want to pay like $15,000 for a pair of shoes for like the What The Dunks, or probably $20K and $50K for Paris, let's say $7K for Stussys, $5K, 3K to $5K for Tiffany. That's outrageous. So I think this is probably more acceptable to the public. So I think if you have the capital, once again, you guys can hold 1 to 3 pairs to see if it goes up to $2,500 in the future. But it's all up to you guys. So if you guys like this video and if you like my analysis, please drop the like and subscribe and share it to your friends. And let me know if you get a Ben & Jerry Dunk for retail. For me, sadly, I took all L's. I think I took like 8 L's on the release day. I didn't get any pairs for retail. But let me know if you guys are interested in the future investment talk or videos like that. I'll see you guys next time. And if you guys want to buy Ben & Jerry's for me, feel free to contact me on my Instagram at @AA_sneaker. Just send me a DM. And if you guys have any questions about sneaker holding, sneaker resales in general, feel free to message me on my Instagram. Or you can check out the video on the top right corner. I think I made an entry guide video on how to resell sneakers and where to buy sneakers and where to sell your sneakers and how to build your own platform. So I'll see you guys next time in the future. Bye. Have a great day.